Alright, today we're at Banyas National Park. So this is where the whole water cycle in Israel starts. Take a look.
There are four main bodies of water in Israel: the Dead Sea, the Sea of Galilee, the Jordan River, and the Yarkon.
The Dead Sea, which is the lowest place on Earth, was formed between the fault lines of the African Plate and the Arabian Plate, with the waters from the Mediterranean Sea. The Dead Sea has a salinity count of 34.2%, which is 9.6 times as salty as the ocean, making it one of the world's saltiest bodies of water and thus undrinkable.
The Jordan River and the Yarkon are contaminated bodies of water and therefore undrinkable. The Sea of Galilee, also known as the Kinneret, is the largest freshwater lake in Israel. It was formed mainly from the waters of the Jordan River and underground fresh springs. Israel gets the majority of its fresh drinking water from the Sea of Galilee.
After a decade-long drought had scorched the Fertile Crescent, and Israel's largest source of fresh water, the Sea of Galilee, had dropped to within inches of the black line at which irreversible salt infiltration would flood the lake and root forever, Israel was on the verge of a water catastrophe.
In 2007, the government of Israel began imposing strict water laws in order to enforce more water-conscious policies. Low-flow toilets and shower heads were installed nationwide as an effort to conserve the nation's water. In another effort to conserve their water, there was an incorporation of innovative water treatment systems that recaptured 86% of the water that went down the drain and used it for irrigation.
However, even with these measures taken, Israel still needed about 1.9 billion cubic meters of fresh water per year, and was only getting just 1.4 billion cubic meters from natural sources.
This shortfall of water was why the Sea of Galilee was draining so quickly and Israel was about to lose its one main water source.
At the peak of this water crisis came a new and improved technology that revolutionized this crisis: desalination.
Simply speaking, desalination is removing salt and other minerals to create fresh, drinkable water. 50% of our water in Israel is desalinated nowadays.
Israel set up multiple plants for desalination, including plants in the cities of Ashkelon, Hadera, and now Sorek.
The Sorek plant provides the most cubic meters of water compared to the rest of the plants. It is the world's largest and cheapest reverse osmosis desalination plant up and running in Israel. Reverse osmosis is the most economically efficient process for desalination.
The way in which reverse osmosis works is there is a solution of salt water on one side of the tank and pure water on the other side of the tank, and they are separated by a semi-permeable membrane. When pressure is applied to the saltwater side of the tank, it is enough to counteract the natural osmotic pressure from the pure water side, and then pushes the salt water through the filter. Due to the size of the salt molecules, only the smaller water molecules would make it to the other side, thus adding fresh water to the water side and leaving the salt on the other.
This solution solves one of the biggest problems in the world, which is water scarcity. Many of the world's countries now use this method to get fresh water, following Israel's lead.